Okay, so I stood up to go get something in the other room, and I don't know, there's something not grounded right in my house, I think, because just standing up caused a static shock and everything just died. Uh, get my electricity looked at. I now open back up. I didn't say go away. Just want you minimized. Open Hangouts. Stay open Hangouts. Launch anxiety. Where are you, Google Hangouts? I didn't say close. Er, er. We just gotta wait for it. So that computer reboots, and then my main monitor goes all washed out because the capture card rebooted itself. I tried unplugging the capture card to make the screen go back. All my icons switched over to another monitor. So I had to get all my icons back. It's a pain. This is why we need the Kickstarter, folks. So I can move to a better office. Move to a place without power problems. All right. So that's up. That's up. Good. Let's show off the game. Pull last time. We can see got our eggs. And there's our level. So it's a client server setup. We have it's going to be multiplayer. We have a basic rudimentary AI that came with the collectible card kit, is what it's called. We basically bought a collectible card kit on the marketplace, and I have been modifying it to work with this game. So we have our mulligan. Select a card to get rid of. See, the highlight keeps changing. Let's say we don't want this crazy cat lady. No, we don't want this cat. Pick the cat and we'll confirm it. Card, and because it's that player's turn, they get another card as well. They usually get 5 common sense points, but right now for testing I have it set to 6. So to use it, I'm just going to do that. So boink. See it moved here, and the other player can see it as well, and there's a timer that'll go off to allow the player to stop that card. They have a card that can block it. Now it switches automatically, and it's the opponent's turn. Put down something like that. 5 seconds goes by, and it pops over there. Scrap phase, but there's nobody to scrap yet. Turn. Let's throw that on the dog. Oh, we still got a glitch there. We still got something going wrong. Check that out. That works. Okay, we got what looks like it. Still trying to figure out what the icon is. The yellow is not a very good color for this. Yellow, green, sickly looking color is not very good for me. I kind of like a bold red because that means, hey, I'm attacking. This color just, I don't know, it just clashes. I don't like the color. And I can't declick on it either. But the other ones seem to be working. Yep. So let's work on that. I got some things to fix here. And you can join me while I do it. So, and Darn Strong will probably be back at some point. I gotta figure out why it keeps jumping. At first, gotta go through the whole chain from the beginning. Why is it not going? State ref should automatically be filled. References. That game state ref. Here. Sure that's happening on both. So breakpoint. And we'll hit play. Game. Our special deck. Special magic deck for devs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the? Okay, that is really bizarre. So, the original card thing is bleeding through. That is bizarre. We're going to have to dig deeper into that. And this is all part of the bug testing, folks. Yep, this is the new one. Why is there traces left of the old one? That makes no sense. Huh. Here. Curious. Very curious. We've been having trouble with that menu. That menu has been acting all wonky. Excuse me. So, to pass the mulligan. Oh yeah, it was stopping at that break point. Oh, we have a power hitter here. Here we go. All right. Okay, that's got the server's ref. Server. Client. Causing that to be invalid. On the client, it's doing the same thing. The value is correct. Watch the value. Bug right there. Now I can see a stack trace here. Working. Hard dog. Still getting a good game state. That's me fitting no. Hey, we got a backer already. All right. Well, we got one backer so far. I want to have a little. I'm going to be playing around with that later. I want to have an alert pop up when people donate to the Kickstarter, I want to have like the Kickstarter goal up here somewhere. Yeah, get things more interactive. Want things to look better. All right, so we'll resume from there. Happening. Oh, okay. Scrap phase. Turn. Crazy cat lady right there. Okay, we got that. Reference is good. Still good. It only seems to do it sometimes, which is why it's tricky. That seems to be working now. Only when that thing fails does it completely cock up everything. Work, can only select. See if the confirm button works. Hey, confirm button works, so that's all connected. Card is attacking on this side. Still doesn't explain why the game state ref sometimes gets conked. So I'm going to look here. I'm going to try. I want you to see that, but that's fine. Chat window. Oh, hit wrong computer. Duh. Can't do it on that computer. Done. Oh, oh, I'm scrolled down. That's why. It is too quiet. Quiet. Just realized that I'm like, it's too quiet. I can't have that. Sure, voice meter's set to mute the audio. There it is. Set to mute audio. Put on Pandora. Benatar. Sounds good to me. Let me turn this down a little bit. I just want it background noise. I don't want to sing along with it too much today. Okay, so let's hit start again. I have to go in and look at that menu in a minute. Could also be something that's working not correct. Oh, mulligan. Duh. Pass the mulligan. chicken lady. It's working properly. It looks good. Got some problem here with the blocking cards. All right, attempted to remove item. Looks wrong. So we've got some problems, but the first thing I want to look at is that menu. That just doesn't look right. That like an old deck problem here. That one. Got all kinds of little things. So there's Don. And it cut the link. Still posting it, or my chat block it? My chat's blocking here. Oh, yep, no, it's there. Okay, so it's not on. Okay, you just posted it. I wanted to make sure that I don't have a blocker going on there. Okay, so I'm trying to find that because I noticed something weird. Watch this. Create. Oh, no, no, no. It did it for a second there. I just saw it. If I can make that happen again, because I hit new game and create game. No. Fine. I'm going to go through all these widgets here. It's got to still be here somewhere. Selection menu. Where could there be another variable? Oh, no, wrong thing. Wrong button. Happens to it. Why would it be showing up as... Oh. Be part of the deck builder. Let's see here. That could be it right there where things are wonky. That'll stop it from flashing. That out and module. There. All. Deck. That's all going to have to be changed. Go through here. Card. Search bar. No, I don't seem to see it. So it must have been just a weird glitch. Let me see if I can make it do it again. This is so odd. Ah! I hit the Dex button. Okay, so why is that causing this? This old button. What's that? Let's see what's going on here. Dex button. Yep, this is definitely it. It's switcher. So this is something you might want to look at, Don, because that appears to be working correct. You know what I mean? It's the same. Wait a minute, he created a whole brand new one. Custom deck switcher. Whole brand new one. But this one for some reason works. Yeah, you'll have to study that one. Because if you hit the Dex button, look, you can see Dev Neighbors fitting in the button perfectly. I mean, it's not centered correctly. Why is the deck builder way up? Looks like it's centered properly. Where's the main menu? Hidden. It's so pretty. All right, that's deck builder. That's the problem. Deck builder's all the way over here. Deck builder all by it. See, now I don't remember how to drag items in. That works. Okay. That in the center again. Hide it. File it. Getting some weird output log messages, but that's fine. Okay. Now we have our dex menu. Okay, so we see our neighbors. It's automatically filling in with some info, but the deck name is not ready. Have any cards set up yet. Everything's still kind of in a preset state, but it's still good to know that this is working here somewhat. We couldn't get it to center correctly on the selection menu. Click new game and create game. It's all messed up over here. So we're trying to make it look like that other thing. So it's something for him to play around with. All right, so that's problem number 1. Let me clear it out of here. Go back to our very beginning, because we got to. First thing I want to do is switch it so that you can't drop a card while another card is being played. Oh, that one can come up. Oh, I'm the type of guy who will never settle down. Where pretty girls are, well, you know that I'm around. I kiss them and I love them, 'cause they're all the same. I hug them and I squeeze them. They don't even know my name. They call me the Wanderer. I'm the Wanderer. I roam around. Good. On my right, and that I'll be with tonight. And when best stare over my shirt and show her on my chest, 'cause I'm Wanderer, be a wanderer. I roam around. Okay, so it needs to know if the card is being played. And that happens from the widget. My 2 fists I am, but I'm going. I'm the type of by myself. Hop right into that. Around the world, 'cause I'm a wanderer. Yeah, wanderer. I roam around. Alright, so this is the drag. Gotta deal with these different interacting states here. Mouse move. Mouse is down. Okay, so it needs to be added here. It's getting a variable from the controller. So let's add a variable to the controller. A wanderer. All right, that was fun. I like that. Classic Beyond and the Belmonts. And we're gonna set a Boolean. Wow, the volume just dropped. Huh. Volume just dropped, man. All right. set is dragging here. Drag selection. Entirely. Not used. Card. By calling it P. Player card placement. Yep, play card placement. All right, so we'll add that. Just to make it easier for me to reference. That's set. Should actually be a replicated value. All right. That going to file, back to the widget. Grab one more value from the controller. Card. Play placement. Okay, we're gonna grab that. Excuse. Branch. That look a little neater. There. Pass that through. I'll just leave it up here and put up a bow. Just like that. All right, so it grabs that value, and if it's true, it works. No, if it's false. Not. There, let's switch it around to make it a not. There. Card and play placement is true. This equals false. Card and place placement is true. Not true, then this is true. So now we have to set this value. So now we go to the actual play card event. Play card event. Card. card. Eights to the play card placement. Little messy. Attached to the tick. There it is. There's the tick. Actor moves. Arrived at its destination. Card placement. Card placement variable. Grab the controller from. This is where we're going to add a breakpoint as well for where I want to put something else. It was something I had set here. To check and see if the other player even has a card that they can use for the timer. Otherwise, we don't need the timer. So, card have a way to get variables system. Player. Sure this one's still working now. Find refs. Okay, so I did. There it is. Oh. That that has to happen on the server though. That can't be done. We got to tell the server this is all happening on the client right now. And if it happens on the other side of that, then it will work on the only on the server. Card placement, there it is. Set the value on the server. That play timer. back to 0 there. That should stop it. Let's give it a try. I like that. That egg throbber is really cool looking. All right, whose turn is it? That's also I can. If I throw down Rodney, it won't let me drag. That's done. And we're going to go with a smaller card. There, and now the card works. Perfect. So that's blocking it, so the player can't do that. Correctly. Work on this side again. Coming attack visuals. Access none attacking card. So there's probably a replication error going on here. Thank you, Jedi. I try, but there's still some problems here. Figure out why that's not working there. Incoming attack visuals. That's there. What time is it now? It's 10 o'clock. I gotta go to the restroom, actually. I am going to pause. I'm going to stop the stream just for a little bit. And I'll be back in probably about a half an hour. Time to make some coffee and go to the bathroom. I'll be back in a half an hour. All right? There you go, everybody.